Welcome. If you've been using Instagram on your PC and feel like the bright interface is a bit too harsh on your eyes, you're going to love this quick update. Instagram has introduced a simple way to switch to dark mode directly inside the app, and it only takes a few clicks to set it up. Let's walk through it together step by step. First, go ahead and open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings without any interruptions. Once you're inside the app, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a small icon with 3 horizontal lines. Click on that. This opens up the main menu where you can access different options related to your account and app preferences. After clicking the menu, a list of options will appear. From there, find and select Switch Appearance. This is where Instagram lets you control how the app looks visually. Now you'll see the appearance settings. Here's the part you've been waiting for. Simply choose the option for dark mode. As soon as you enable it, the entire interface will instantly switch from a bright background to a darker, more comfortable theme. That's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on Instagram using your PC. This feature is especially useful if you spend a lot of time browsing at night or just prefer a more subtle look. It can also help reduce eye strain and even save a bit of battery on certain displays. Give it a try and see how it feels. Once you switch, you might not want to go back.